Good morning, American government. In case you have not heard, I have withdrawn from the presidential race. The revolution is over. But I want to thank all of you for your support on this journey. I'm just sorry that it has to end this way. For me, I will probably go back to Vermont, considering getting into the maple syrup business. I'm not sure. But again, I want to thank you. It appears the American people are not ready for the revolution. The revolution is over. For those of you with the Feel the Burn Sanders t-shirts, thank you for your support. Thank you for your money. Thank you for your donations. I'm not going to return the money, but you can keep the shirts. And again, this is Feel the Burn Sanders withdrawing from the race. Good morning, American government. Happy Thursday. Just a quick reminder, your presidential leadership paper is due by 3 p.m. today. Some of you have already sent them in. Some of them are fantastic. I really appreciate that. Next week, just to give you a little heads up, we're going to talk about our constitutional freedoms. But what you need to do is enjoy your 4-day break. I want to wish all of you a happy Easter. Enjoy the time, but please be safe, and then we will get back together next Tuesday. I thought I'd leave you with the famous song from Danny Kaye, Here Comes Peter Cottontail.
And therefore, you have won the right to be official chief Easter Bunny. And on Easter morning, Peter was off again. Only now, he was the Easter Bunny. All of his friends turned out to greet him, because everybody knew that Peter Cottontail was on his way. Here comes Peter Cottontail, hopping down the bunny trail. Hippity-hopping, Easter's on its way. Bringing every girl and boy baskets full of Easter joy, things to make your Easter bright and gay. He's got jelly beans for Tommy, colored eggs for Sister Sue. There's an orchid for your mommy, and an Easter bunny too. Oh, here comes Peter Cottontail, hopping down the bunny trail. Hippity-hoppity, happy Easter day. Pierre! Listen, Pierre! Antoine, where are you? Up here! Look what has happened! Do you like my new Easter outfit, eh? Well, I went to sleep for a few months, and when I wake up, well, I was butterflied. Come on, you can help. You can all help. Everybody. Here comes Peter Cottontail, hopping down the bunny's trail. Look at him stop. Listen to him say. Trying to do the things you should. Maybe if you're extra good, here will lots of Easter eggs your way. You wake up on Easter morning and you know that he was there. When you find those chocolate bunnies that he's hiding everywhere.